This 3-ingredient lemon ice cream is rich, creamy, and incredibly easy to make. No ice cream machine, no eggs, just a simple no-churn lemon ice cream that's perfect for summer or any day you're craving ice cream. Let's make it. We'll start with the lemons. I always roll them first because it helps release a little more juice. Then cut them in half and squeeze out every last drop. Fresh lemon juice really makes this recipe refreshing. So if you can, skip the bottle stuff. Now add some cold whipping cream to a large bowl. Keeping it cold helps it whip faster and gives you a lighter texture. Beat it until you get soft teeth. There we go, nice and fluffy. Next goes the sweetened condensed milk. This is what gives this homemade lemon ice cream that rich, creamy texture without needing an ice cream maker. Now add the fresh lemon zest. Don't skip it if you can, because that's where so much of the fresh lemon flavor comes from. Pour in the freshly squeezed lemon juice, and I am adding a few drops of lemon extract. It's completely optional, but if you love bright citrus flavors like I do, it gives the ice cream an extra little boost of citrus. Now gently whip everything together just until it's smooth and combined. Try not to overmix because all that air in the whipped cream is what keeps the finished ice cream soft and creamy. Pour the mixture into a freezer-safe container and smooth out the top. Honestly, it's already looking so good. I can lick it directly from the bowl. Now place a piece of cling wrap directly on the surface. It's a simple trick that helps keep ice crystals away, so every scoop is nice and creamy. Then freeze it for 6 to 8 hours or overnight if you can wait. And now for my favorite part, look at that. Smooth, creamy, and so easy to scoop. That's exactly the texture we are after. I love serving it in a crispy cone, but it's just as delicious as in a bowl. Finish with a little fresh lemon zest on top for one last burst of fresh citrus flavor. Every bite is creamy, refreshing, and tastes like summer. If you make this easy 3-ingredient lemon ice cream recipe, let me know in the comments. I would love to know how it turned out for you. And if you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to my Ginger Garlic Kitchen channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.